Okay, in this video we are going to solve question number 7 and question number 8 from exercise 1A book 2. Okay, the statement of the question is, if z is directly proportional to x and z equals 12 when x equals 3, find the value of x when z equals 18. According to the statement of the question, as z is directly proportional to x, so we will write this statement as z is proportional to x, which means directly proportional to x. And when we remove the sign of proportionality, we place k as a constant of proportionality. So this equation becomes z equals kx, where k is the constant of proportionality. Since we have given the value of z and x, so with the help of this we can find the value of constant k. So by putting the value of z from the statement of the question, which is 12, equals k as it is, and we have also given the value of x, which is 3. So this equation becomes 12 equals k multiplied by 3. Since we are finding the constant k, so let's take this 3 to the left side of the equation, then this equation becomes 12 upon 3 equals k. And now 12 is the multiple of 3, so it means 3 times 4, 12. So we have the value of k equals 4. Now after finding the value of k, we can find the value of x when z is equal to 18, which is the required condition of the question. So again, the same equation, z equals kx, I'm going to put the value of z, which is 18, and the value of k, which we have calculated, 4, and this equation. So the equation becomes 18 equals 4 multiplied by x. Since we are finding the value of x, so let's take this 4 to the left side of the equation. Then this equation becomes 18 divided by 4 equals x. Now we have common factor between 18 and 4, like 2 times 2, 4, and 2 times 9, 18. So the equation is 9 upon 2 equals x. Further, if you divide 9 by 2, so we will get 4.5, which is the value of x. So x equals 4.5. Question number 8 from this exercise is, if b is directly proportional to a and b equals 3 when a equals 18, find the value of b when a equals 24. Since b is directly proportional to a, so we will write this statement as b is proportional to a, which means b is directly proportional to a. Once again, if we remove the sign of proportionality, then we place constant k, the equation becomes b equals ka. Okay, we have given the values of b and a in this statement. So b equals 3, I'm going to put the value of b, which is 3, equals k as it is, and we have also given the value of a, which is 18, so this equation becomes 3 equals k into 18. Again, we are finding the constant k, so let's take this 18 to the left side of the equation. Then this equation becomes 3 upon 18 equals k. Okay, here we have common factor between 18 and 3, and the common factor is 3. So 3 times 1, 3, and 3 times 6, 18. So now we have 1 upon 6 equals k, which is the value of constant k if b is directly proportional to a. Now let's find the value of b when a equals 24. So I'm going to put the value of b and k in this equation to find a. Then this equation becomes b equals ka. We have calculated the value of k, which is 1 upon 6. And the value of a is given in the statement of the question, which is 24. And now we have common factor between 24 and 6, so we have different commons like 2, 3, and 6 itself. So I'm going to divide 24 by 6. Like 6 times 1, 6, and 6 times 4, 24. And finally 4 multiplied by 1, we get 4. So the value of b is 4.